Hey guys, it's Lydia. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, then welcome back to another one of my videos. And it is long overdue for a Sephora product review. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Rare Beauty liquid blush review. The main difference between my video and everyone else's is that this is not PR, this is not sponsored. So this is gonna be my full honest first impression. I'm gonna do swatches and I'm gonna do a try on and just honest impression and let you guys know, is this worth your money? I got two of the shades and I'm gonna be comparing both of them. I'm gonna do the one on this cheek and then the other on this cheek. I got the shade Hope and I got the shade Joy. So we're gonna do an unboxing, swatches, first impression, and honest review. Let's just get right into it. I don't know which one to try first. I've been seeing Rare Beauty everywhere. I've been wanting to try it for so long and see if it's actually worth it, but I find it hard to like fish through the reviews because all the big influencers are always like sponsored. I just can't tell if it's actually worth it or not because I found Charlotte Tilbury is really overhyped in my opinion for the actual quality. Let's start out with the shade Hope. So this one is so pretty. Look how pretty this is. The packaging is just so luxurious. It's a little bit heavy but also super light. The soft pink color. I typically go for more of like an orangey blush. I also don't have any blush on right now. And then the shade Joy is a little more orangey red. This is the shade I was like most drawn to, and I think this is like one of the most popular ones. Like this is so stunning. Which one should we do first? The one I'm gravitating towards most is this one. I wanted to try the tinted lip balms, but they were sold out. Let's do a little swatch. I know these are super pigmented. I'm just gonna do a swatch in my hand first. It's really pigmented and it feels very creamy. I hate sticky blushes, but I'm interested to see how this is gonna blend out. Next, we're gonna do Joy. I feel like I'm using so much. I don't know whether to blend this with a brush or a beauty blender. I'm gonna do a brush to see how it blends out. So this one definitely gets more orangey as it blends, but it still stays super pigmented. And now I'm gonna take a different brush, try to blend this one a little bit. It definitely keeps its pigment. I'm just gonna feel what it feels like with my finger, to be honest. Feels very soft and silky smooth. Like silky smooth is literally just the best way I can put it. Has that shine and it's supposed to be mattifying. I've had this swatch for a couple seconds and it's not already dried up. The Joy definitely turns a little more orangey the more you blend it, but the pink still stays very rosy pink pigmented. I'm gonna go wash off the swatch and let's do the face review. A 100% room to towel in that process. I used a makeup remover and it did stain my hand a little bit, but I guess that doesn't really matter. We're gonna do Hope on the left and then we're gonna do Joy on the right. I'm gonna blend this out with a beauty blender this time just to see if it blends better. I found the brush didn't leave it streaky or anything. I'm gonna do literally the tiniest bit. See, people usually do like 1 or 2 dots, so we'll see how this builds up. This just looks like a lip product to me. It does have a very like chemically smell to it, which I will say. This definitely feels more liquidy as well. This one kind of terrifies me. It's definitely like lighter and this is way more pigmented. That blends out so nicely. Like that's it. Like I'm happy with this. That is so pretty. You really do only need one dot. Now I'm gonna use the opposite side of this beauty blender. That blended out the exact shade I wanted and blended out so easily. And like, it's not streaky at all. You just see that like little shimmery rosy glow and I'm still glowing, but I have like that natural flush. Like this is so natural. Oof. Yeah, I don't know. I did the exact same. You guys saw the same amount I put on here. Let me just like quickly go blend this out. I blended this out quite a bit more. I found this one, once I started blending, I was able to kind of like blend it away, if that makes sense. Like I really was able to like take off a lot of the products using this beauty blender. Like this just dotted on. This one I kind of like pulled off my face, if that makes sense. Definitely not as scary, but my beauty blender is so stained after doing that. I'm definitely gonna have to wash this off before I like go in with like my highlighter or something like that. So I'm not a fan of that, honestly. I think I liked applying it with the brush better. For value of product, this I find like you can just use a tiny bit. You could wear this every day and this would honestly last you, I would say 2 to 3 months, like realistically. Like there's enough in the bottle to last a long time. This I'd say could last you twice as much, but I just don't love it as much. This just might be on my skin tone, but it's washing me out. I didn't blend as much. It's very intense. But overall, I would say Rare Beauty is worth the money. Like I really do love the product, but I would recommend Hope over Joy. That is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you in my next one.